My name is Carrie Lynn and this is Hello Basic Mom. Today I'm going to do something that I've never done before but I've wanted to do for quite a while. I'm going to do a lookbook video. So I'm going to just try on some clothes that I've gotten for the spring. All of these clothes I'm showing today are just what I've purchased so far this spring. But of course I do have quite a large wardrobe with a lot of clothes from previous years. And before I get started, I would just like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notifications. All right, let's get started. So today I'm wearing this shirt from Target. This is a size small and I don't know why I'm turning around, but I thought maybe you would want to see the back. It's just a simple t-shirt. The brand is Universal Thread and camo has been really popular lately and I am totally digging it. And underneath I'm wearing my new bralette that I got at Von Maur. It's a store just like Nordstrom. I'll get to that in a little bit. And then my jeans I'm wearing today are from American Eagle, but I got these a few years ago and they are some of my favorite jeans of all time. I love distressed. They did not come this distressed. This has been an accumulation of overtime wearing them, but they're nice and high-waisted. I have lost weight since I first purchased these, so now I have to wear them with a belt, but they have the Lycra stretch in them. American Eagle jeans are like nothing else that I've found anywhere. And my shoes that I'm wearing are just some simple sneakers from Target. I've had these for quite a few years. I have them in a couple different colors. They are super comfortable and casual. So I love these. They're so versatile. I wear them with many things. This shirt is the same exact one as the camo. It's just a dark charcoal color and I love, it's kind of got that, I don't know, it almost has a vintage wash look, but not hardly as much. And this I got in a medium because I did not have any smalls left, but I like to have loose shirts too, so that it shows my bralette a little bit, because that's all I wear pretty much. And yeah, so I just tuck it in a little bit. I'm not sure exactly how my tuck looks. I literally just did this without looking in a mirror. So that's this shirt. I'll show you the next one. This top, of course, is from Target as well, and I absolutely love the fabric. It is so soft and stretchy, and I got a small, and to keep it from shrinking, I'm just gonna have to set it out to dry every time, which is no problem. I do that with a lot of my shirts. The brand is Grayson Threads, and it was $12.99. I forgot to mention that the previous shirts that I was wearing from Universal Thread, those were $8 a piece. So you can wear it out, or you could tuck it in a little bit, or you can, you know, do a little tie or something. Very versatile, I love it. And these jeans are actually from Target, and they're super high-waisted, which I, of course, am obsessed with. They're by Universal Thread, and of course, they're distressed. I don't know if you can see the ankles, but I'll show you in just a minute. And I actually do not have shoes on right now, so. Absolutely love these mules. I think that's what the style's called, but I got these at Target. I think they were $24.99, and they're super duper comfy. Like, stepping in them feels a little bit squishy, and I adore the like leopard print. This lighting right here is not good. So I made the lighting a little bit more realistic, so. Yes, I love them, and I love the detail on these jeans as well on the bottoms. Talk about these bralettes that I purchased at Von Maur. Von Maur? I don't know how you say it. But anyways, it's just a store that is closest to where I live, so I didn't have to drive out to Nordstrom, which is like 15 minutes away. But still, I'm obsessed with these. You've probably seen them everywhere on Instagram. And these have padding in them, which I absolutely love. This is the back. There's 4 straps all together, and they are all adjustable. I got 2 so far, but I would love to go back for more. I got this mauve color and then the white color that I'm wearing, and they were only $28 a piece compared to the Free People brand, which is actually $38 a piece. And the Free People does not have padding in them, so these are for the win. And the brand, I forgot, the brand is called Wishlist. Guys, we have to talk about my absolute favorite shirt that I've purchased in a really long time. It is so soft, and it has this like waffle type knit. The color is called Oatmeal, And the brand is called Blue Pepper. It is the exact same top as Free People carries, except this one is like less than 50% the price. I'm not gonna say half the price because Free People's is $68. This one was, I think, $44. Such a great deal. Let me show you the back. So comfy. I'm wearing a small. They are made to fit loose and big, and so that you can show the bralette. And here I am wearing the mauve. Absolutely am dying over this, and I can't wait to do some self-portraits. I plan to wear this top in them. And I love how the sleeves are just so long and how you can kind of just grab them in your hand when you're feeling a little chilly or whatnot. Just overall, super, super awesome top. And for this outfit, I decided to throw on the sweater just to show you what it looked like with a cardigan. This is from Universal Thread at Target, but I purchased this on clearance not that long ago, but I'm not sure if it's still online, but this is what it looks like. And I just want to show you first what this outfit looks like with a cardigan. I'm not sure how cute it looks, especially since I've got black jeans on, but let me know in the comments what you think about that. I got this top, which is by A New Day. It is a size medium, and it was only $8. And I just thought it would be a really cute, like stretchy tank top to wear with my high-waisted jeans. And my high-waisted jeans are by Wild Fable. I mentioned these in one of my other videos, but I gotta give these guys a shout out again. They are my favorite black jeans. They've got the distressed knee. They're a little bit shorter, so I really, really like that. This is what the bottoms look like, and I'm wearing no shoes. I didn't take the time to pick out shoes for this outfit. Little Miss just woke up from her nap, so that's what's going down. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up now since she's awake and needs her mommy. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any more try on haul, any spring outfit inspo, or just anything like that involving clothes, because I love clothes, okay? I have way too much, so let me know if you want me to share any more. As always, thank you for watching this video. Hope you subscribe and come back to see more. Bye, guys.